Welcome back, Pythonians. Before we move on to CSV files, there's one thing I didn't cover. You will probably discover this sometimes when you're reading code. You saw that I didn't pass in a parameter known as encoding. By default, in at least in modern Python, the default encoding for the open function is UTF-8, which is very safe. You might have seen it, UTF-8, different versions, or this one, very common. So how do I understand? When we're working with text files in Python, uh, we see this encoding, and what it does, it describes how we store these text characters as bytes inside a file. Because for a computer, it doesn't store things like our letters A, or perhaps like in Swedish or. They store numbers that represent them, and you might have seen, for example, ASCII codes and those 55 and 70s kind of, or other versions, the different formats. So, but generally most the encoding is UTF-8, but there can be situations when you have to explicitly set it to something else. But I don't see any future possible. If you come across, you will know what to do. You'll have to specify perhaps UTF-16 or something. Even when working with JSON files, which is one of the most common data exchange formats, almost all programmers use it. They use UTF-8, and it's the default. So don't worry about it. If you see it, you can omit it. It's not that important unless you have a specific, unique reason for it. But for you as a beginner, all you need to know is that UTF-8 is the standard, and Python, especially the modern one, usually uses it automatically. But if you ever come across any problems, unexpected error, the error messages are often very informative, but you can always just specify it and say UTF-8. And you might have had the read in here. Text, up to you which one. Write, whatever we're doing. So, just want to cover that. Until next time.